Ladies and gentlemen, last year was tough. We lost a lot of money, but 2021, fortunately for those who were early, got in and made pretty good profit. I'm not going to lie, it was a pretty good time in the Web3 gaming space, and we had a lot of things happen within Gala. Now, since then, Gala has corrected quite a bit. We're going to be touching base on that and more, but even bigger than that, CoinMarketCap apparently saying that Gala is the most currently viewed coin in the entire NFT space, with 27.42% of searches in the collectibles and NFTs category going directly to the Gala coin. Let's touch base on this. No, this video is not sponsored by Gala, but it is sponsored by myself. So all I ask is you like and subscribe if you enjoy the content. Leave a comment. I actually do go over these. Surprisingly, I actually do enjoy an audience. And so let's go over this here because this is a big deal. 27%, massive number. But with this being said, what are we doing right now? What's going on in Gala? What's going on in crypto gaming in general? I did a stream about this, and here's some big statistics that you're really going to want to know about. Now, this is the Gala burn overview. Please, the link is up there. Like, just look above me. It says dune.com/riskyfish/gala-burn. You can check it out for yourself. But this essentially shows the Gala burn. We all know Gala recently announced that they're going to be burning off their transaction fees on their marketplace, and it is a pretty good amount of Gala burnt. In fact, my favorite website for going ahead and putting in numbers is CoinGecko, because all I have to do is look up the Gala coin, and then I just slap in numbers. For example, today we've burnt $13,403 worth of the Gala coin. But we've minted, which means we've created 1,861,000. So that equals to, what is it, $75,000. Clearly, we're making more than we're burning. And so let's touch base on this because this is very important. If you look at the max graph for Gala, you're going to see this massive correction, and oh my God, this is terrible. But in all reality, the big problem that people aren't looking at is the circulating supply. Because if you looked at Risky Fish, the real circulating supply for Gala is drastically different from what you're looking at right now. In fact, it's reported over here, 7.5 billion Gala. But if you actually look into how much there is, there's 39 billion Gala in the circulating supply, which is significantly more than is being reported on these other data metrics websites. CoinMarketCap, it's even worse. CoinMarketCap says that there's only 6.9 billion. Ladies and gentlemen, there's 39 billion Gala. And if we take the number 39 billion, right? Take the number 39 billion, and you go ahead and you slap it into CoinGecko, it gives you this insane number, which is the real price here. Because if we take this number and we multiply it by 0.04, that gives you the real number for the market cap of Gala Games, which is so much higher than is currently being reported. Gala is one of the top projects in the crypto gaming space. It is undeniable data. And so with all this being said, now that you have this revelation on the Gala supply, let's touch base on what's even more important than this. The people that continue to ask me, Classy, why in the world do you not just buy up Gala and that's it? Screw the NFT, screw everything else. And that's because I have a strategy, and I've got a strategy that's carried me and made me 7 figures in 2 years. Ladies and gentlemen, this strategy is diversifying. I don't only buy one thing in an underlying ecosystem, especially in crypto gaming. Will there be opportunities for you to go ahead and hop onto these ecosystems and just buy them for the speculation and hoping that something happens? Yeah, that's going to happen. But guess what? The people that actually made money on Gala, some of them were, of course, token holders that were speculators and flippers, but the real people that profited on Gala were the founders node holders, the people that decided to pay $2,500 plus into this ecosystem very early on. And they were very bullish on these games. And that's why, ladies and gentlemen, if you go to the Gala Games website right now, they have this strategy, which they're well aware that people have profited mostly off of nodes. So what have they done? They are selling nodes. Last Expedition nodes are now for sale for essentially the same price as the Gala nodes back in the day. In fact, if I go ahead and grab this number and slap it over here, $2,500 is the current price of a Gala Last Expedition operator license node, which allows you to go ahead and operate a license to have a server on Last Expedition, which can earn you Gala. And because Gala has said that their entire ecosystem is going to be operating off of Gala. So we could see this bigger narrative beginning to form. People know nodes are very lucrative. They have the opportunity to become massive things, right? There are people that bought 1,000 nodes and they're just sitting real pretty. And so what's happening here? Let's be honest here. What's happening here is people are hedging their bets. There's no universe in which I'm going to be able to buy a node for every single Gala game. There's too many of them. There's like 50 games that are going to be coming out. Way too much. But the games that are really cool and the games that make sense with these nodes, okay, well, we get this narrative where we can decentralize servers and not really have to run through these problems where there is obsolescence, which is planned obsolescence, where they try to kill games and try to push them aside. Instead, we're like, okay, well, Classy, all of a sudden, this new revelation has come up to me. We decentralize the servers, we allow our early supporters to make money, and there's almost no risk on our side. Why wouldn't a company do this? Why wouldn't the players do this? If you were excited about League of Legends back in 2010, why in the world would you not grab an operator license bundle? I mean, come on. So this is their narrative right now. They're doing this with Last Expedition. They did it with Townstar. They did it with Spider Tanks. They're probably going to do it with a bunch of the other games. And it's going to be massive. By the way, if you decide to go ahead and be like, oh, wow, after watching this video, huge narrative has been spun upon me. I own a ton of Gala. Maybe I should diversify. Maybe I should grab this. And you've decided because of Classy's video that you're going to be doing this. Well, I've got a beautiful link for you. links.gala.com/classycrypto. You could support the channel because Classy just gave you the secret sauce. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section. Till the next time, stay classy. There's a Last Expedition tournament that's going to be happening in 1 hour from now. So if you're watching this video right now, look at my live stream so you could see a little bit more about Last Expedition. Not financial advice. Stay classy, and that's all.